G'day! In today's video I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode and reset your Moto G86 Power. To do that with the phone switched off, we want to hold volume down and power. There we go. We enter what's called fast boot. And from here we use the arrow keys up and down to go into recovery and then press power to confirm. Power, volume up. There we go. Power and volume up. Then we get this menu. We want to go down to wipe, factory data reset. Factory data reset and power. There we go. And done. Then we're going to go reboot. From here it's going to take maybe about up to 5 minutes to start, probably about 2. And it will ask for your Google account that you previously had on the phone to be re-entered before you can use it. Hope that helps. Bye.